everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how to create Revolut business account. So first thing we're going to need to do is go ahead and go to your Google or Safari and then search for Revolut business account. Then this will show up in the results, so you just have to tap on this one and then it will then redirect you to this page. So in this page, as you can see, there is a button where you can join now. So we'll just have to tap on that one. And then it will ask you for your country, so you'll just have to tap on that drop down menu and then choose or pick the country that you're in. Then once done, it'll ask you for your legal business type, so you just have to do the same. Just tap on that drop down menu and see the lists, so you can choose from these legal business type. So in my case, I'll just choose the public limited company. So once you have choose the business type, you just have to tap on continue. Then once you tap on continue, it will ask for your email, so you can sign in with Google or with Apple Play Store. And once you've entered your email, it will ask for your phone number, so we'll just have to type in here your phone number. Now it looks something like this, and then you just have to tap on continue. And then once you hit that continue, it will ask for the 6-digit code that was sent to your mobile number. So you just have to type it in here, the code. And once you typed in the code, it will ask you to create a password. So just type in here the password that you want to use in your Revolut business account. So a strong password must have these 4 checks. So you just have to make sure that it is a strong password, and then once done, just tap on continue. So in here, as you can see, since I have already made my personal account in Revolut, it recognizes the details of my Revolut account, and then you just have to wait for a couple of days for your business account to be verified or to be approved by the Revolut team. And that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!